Kaya tawag kayo na drink from breast. Pwede yun.
Milk. Milk. Shake. Kind of milk.
Milk. Powdered milk. Powdered milk.
Brown.
Chocolate milk.
Okay.
Proud. Number 3.
Hair. But
Tooth.
tooth.
Kailangan mo ba magbigay ng
Clean your teeth.
Oh.
toothbrush?
Not tooth. Draw. Draw.
Kailangan lang eh.
Not comb.
Brush. Brush. Paintbrush.
Kailangan mo nang basahin yung utak ni